Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Forex Black Box. I'm going to make a quick video about pound and the where we are now. So just quickly review about the pound. Last week when we had this area of interest here to buy from there, which I did, and I get out and in and out, in and out. I can't really remember how many orders I did, but I did a lot of orders. So that's how you trade the market. You need to assess your trades. And if you see the trade going against you, immediately get out, regardless how much it's on the stake. So if you think that trade is not going to work, don't stick around because you're going to get burned more and more. So anyway, as I can see now here, pound USD on the daily, a nice 1, 2, 3 days, rested a little bit, then continue back up, which up to my resistance area, which is very clearly you can see it. We stayed here say 1, 2, 3 days now, and we're coming back to the red. So what I suggest from here is just let me just clear this out and delete this. I know that we're gonna come up here, but it's not gonna come in 1 day or 1 week or 1 hour, whatever. Unless it's very smashing news, but still, that's a market that doesn't move in miles unless it's something major happened in the country. Something bad happened, then the market will move really crazy. Like flash crash, it move crazy, but Brexit it will move in a manner way. Like you can see in Brexit time, it was moving like you can tell it's bearish. So not like one click and the market just jumped 1,000 pips like the flash crash. So market move in that manner. So let me just to get the tool. Let's get this one from here. Actually, it's not this one. Sorry, guys. Just a second. I should actually put it in my favorite. A, B, C, D. This is A. Say which that's the point higher B. I expect the bound to come back 50% at this area. Then we continue up to this area here. 1, 2, 3 highs. On the way down, probably is gonna do the same thing. And we talk about 200% move. Let me just go back to 1618 and it does match around here. So I stick to it from here. Let me just get my tool here, market, and we're probably gonna see bounce down a few days like what's happening here now. It's indecision pattern. It wants to go up, but there's not enough news or not enough investor get this confident to be confident to put money now since Boris Johnson keep lying and keep telling stories and keep saying that we're gonna leave on the 31st of October, Halloween's with deal or no deal. I die in the ditch or a cup of coffee. I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense. But we are on a support area here. I did short the bound today actually because I see that it doesn't want to go up. So I did short it. I was long and I exit here. The next day I've been shorting from here and I exit around before that low actually because I didn't want it to stick around because I know bound can any news push up from Europe or just the bound on standby. As soon as any positive news coming from Europe or UK, it will just keep going to my target here. So I normally get in and out because I do intraday and I do long-term monthly view. So I've got some long position from down here that's still on the market, but I'm always cover my position by shorting 30 to 50% of the main entries itself, just to book a profit and make sure that I don't lose pips after the hard work I was doing. So as you can see that it's actually stopped at this area, can come back down here, not necessarily, maybe 38%, where we can see here there is some kind of support here. So let's see how they're gonna play. I'm looking at the daily. It could take a week or two. It can take another 5 days down here, continue back up, break this high, and we'll see. Because it looks like the parliament want to come back again and the, the parliament been suspended for 5 weeks because of Boris Johnson. So I think they defeat the government and the revolt that wanted to go back to the parliament and try to find out what Boris up to, because now the government is in control of the country up to 31st of October, and it's very complicated position now. But I think the pound will go up, but maybe after a pullback. So don't long from here now. I recommend that I suggest that you wait for it to come back in a special level like this level here. Let me just mark that as well. Just mark this area for possible boxing or consolidation area up. Ping pong here. Let's see. That's on the daily view. So I will just leave it there. And I always just want to only do the bound. If it does bound USD, if it does move in direction, all the other pair will move with it, because that's the cable. That's the cable of pound currency. So if pound USD moving down, all pound pairs weak. If pound USD moving up, then but obviously I have to know why he's moving up or why he's moving down. If he's moving down because of dollar strength, then you have to look to the other pairs what they're doing. If he's moving up because of the USD weakness, then you need to look as well. Unless the news is going to move all bound bears in the direction of the trend. As you can see the trend, I know the trend is down, but at some point will turn around. Okay, as you can see here, I know that doesn't do 1, 2, 3 Fibonacci Elliott wave, but it's very confirmed here that it break that high and will make a new high. Now we have two highs here. After breaking that low, that high, come back down, we break that low, we make a new low, then we broke the previous high, then we are trying to trend it back up. Okay, that's my yeah, we're trying to trend it back up. So I recommend that you wait for it. If you want to short it, you can short it, it's fine. If you see any evidence of short trade, just temporarily. If you want to cover your long like me, that's what I do. And if I see the pound is trying to come back up by tomorrow or Friday, we'll see. ECB is tomorrow, so we'll see how that go. I'm already short. I was short on euro pound, and I closed and I've been long on it now, today, just now, and it working fine because I think is euro putting some bids on for preparation of tomorrow. So everyone kind of set up themselves for any positive news are coming out of ECB tomorrow. So I'm not gonna stick around for very long, but I have a specialty exit, and as soon as this been reached, I will be thinking short because I know the bound its turn the next day or the same day later on. Any positive news will move the bound up to this area, maybe higher. It depends, but I don't think so because unless it's a breakthrough of a deal or something, and it's gonna break this trend line and come back down and make a waves and continue back up a flag or whatever you want to call it. That's the price action anyway. We just name it. Everyone name it the way you want or the way it looks or whatever. But it's all price action. If a candle, red candle, then next one is green but higher than the close or the opening of the previous candle. That's a price action telling you that is someone actually putting money in the market and someone getting out. So price action is a lot of study need to be done on. It doesn't just because it's red and green candle is not only the indication of price movement, but the size, the opening and close, and how much is the wick is high or low, and all the stuff. That's the price action. I know some people call it names, but it's all of it. All the market is price action. Even the indicators, they're taking the price from the candlestick. So price action is the mother of all indicators and all stuff like that. So anyway, guys, thanks for attending and viewing my video. Please leave any question in the comment area and subscribe and share and like, please. Thank you. Good day, guys. Bye. Good luck.